What is up, guys? This tutorial is how to make a keycard reader in Minecraft. This is really simple and easy. All you need to do is put in your keycard right in this dropper, exit out, press the button, and boom, you've got yourself a circuit. Now, let's say we put in the wrong keycard. Press the button, no signal. It's because the person will need the right item and the right name, making the possibilities almost infinite. Now, how this works is we've got this hopper filled up with items, so only this item can enter. This comparator detects when there is an item, when there is an extra item added to this hopper, comes around, makes this light up into this repeater and out this redstone. It's incredibly easy. All you need to do, get yourself an anvil, get yourself your item of choice, call. I've already called mine to subscribe, which is what you should do. Please leave a like and subscribe. Then you take it out, come out the anvil, put it in, exit out, click the button, and boom. You can connect that to really any device. Super simple, super easy. Hope you guys enjoyed.